What's up, YouTube? Today's the weekly test. If you're wondering what this will sound like, it actually will tell you on the manual. What it would do during a weekly test. It's two tones. Hold on a second. This is the code. Yep. It'll be a beep tone. I don't know why there's no sound for practice. Daily test? That'd be cool. That would be cool. This is a daily test with the emergency alert system for the broadcast systems of Nebraska in cooperation with FCC and non-government employees. This is only a daily test. We're now return to regular programming. That'd be funny. That's what the Nebraska daily test will sound like. I know I'm doing it wrong. Like, we still talk the monthly test, but other than it's a daily test. It'd be funny to do that. That'd be a series of beeps. For this right way, it beeps like the beat tone, like because they go da, 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 da. I cannot do the tone right. And then you can hear all these other weather radios go off. Yeah, I never ever probably gonna get one of these. It's on my top 20 dream weather radio wish list, believe it or not, and I got one. I like this weather radio a lot, but it's a little raspy. Like, this one's raspy too. Listen. No, it happened.
For 60s. Monday night and Tuesday, partly cloudy.
I'll put an updation here.
Lows in the upper 40s. Highs in the upper 60s.
Well, I'm buying. That one's pretty cool. That was pretty raspy. It's raspy like this one.
Temperature was 57 degrees. This high was 7.
Sounds like an 18 AM. Listen to this. Yeah, it's like that. It's also this lit testing. I'll show you how to. I like lit testing this thing. Actually, a cool trick about this lit test. It also makes up 2 zeros and 2 full nines too. Let's have the volume for it. If you press this button,
1.05 inches below normal. No snow fell yesterday.
you gotta hear.
Which brings the monthly to
You gotta hear KI 631, and then it will show channel 1. Right now it's stable because I pressed the lit test. You can test the speaker.
total snowfall since July 1st. At 7 a.m. in Atlantic.
This is KZZ 52.
Total snowfall since July 1st.
Substation in Norfolk. Carolina.
The yearly total
Say no
since
for
July
that.
1st is 4,628, which is 220.
I don't know what they
below normal.
and 9 button, they just work. Also,
Leaves the monthly total at 0.
so I'll show you something else cool. You can test the display. This is testing the display. You can understand the lights like on the 12250. If you press yes or no. If you press no for the 12250, it will just no. It will disable the lights. If you press yes, it will re-enable the lights in the 12250. That's the difference. And if you press 8 yes on 250, it will reset it. I don't know how to reset this, but it's still a nice radio, but it might not go off for all alerts. Just be aware. It's not my fault. It only has multiple single. I think it's similar to a WR30.
National Weather Service climate center.
Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I like it. Following at the moment, it's top 249. Somewhere on there, it's white, so you can't really see it well. Yeah, we could test it today, and I'm planning to record it unless something changes. Because I'm really like to see this thing go off successfully, hopefully. Anyways, that's it.